Happy morning, my dears. Today we are going to learn our next chapter. What is that? Did you guess it? Last class we have seen simple present tense and simple past tense, isn't it? Yes. But now we are going to learn simple future tense. Basically, the word tense indicates the time of an action or an event. Verbs in simple future tense indicate an action that will happen in the future. Future tense indicate happen in the future. And we can use will for future tense. And what we have to use? Will for future tense. The simple future tense is used to indicate that will happen after speaking. So we have to add will or shall before the base verb. Where we have to add, children? Before the base verb. Example, I will tell you my answer. Next example, tomorrow she will pray at the church. So here will pray is the future tense. So tomorrow she is going to pray. So we have to add will pray. Next example, I will go for trekking tomorrow. Here will is the future tense. So go is the base verb. Before we have to add will. I will go for trekking tomorrow. And next example, Jimmy will eat pizza after playing. So he is thinking he is going to eat. So that is future tense. Jimmy will eat pizza after playing. Have you all understood, children? Okay, next, where we have to use will or shall? Come on, let's see. We have to use in active and passive sentence. Active, subject plus will or shall plus verb plus object. Then passive sentence, subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb, past participle plus by plus object. Come on, let's see the example. My parents will take us to the park. This is the active sentence. So next example, we will be taken to the park by our parents. This is the passive sentence. So here we have to use will and shall. Okay, next we are going to see that present tense and past and future tense through the example. First example, little Tom plays with the soft toy. Here plays is the present tense. Second one, and Sabina chewed a pretty dress for me. Here chewed means past tense. So this action was already happened. Next, third sentence, John will perform at the party tomorrow. So here base verb before we have to add will. So this is the future tense. John will perform at the party tomorrow. Next example, he will buy her a present. Listen, children, here which is the future tense? Will buy. Yes, right. He will buy her a present. Okay, next example, I ask you to do the homework. Here which tense it will come? Yes, right. I will help you to do the homework. Okay, have you all understood, children, about this future tense? Okay, I hope you. I will meet you on next topic. Thank you.